Good day, good day. Today we are going to look at multiplication and division of numbers expressed in standard form. But we need to first of all understand the laws of indices, where we are saying if you are dealing with numbers that have got exponents and then they are having a common base, in our case it's base 10, we are saying 10 to the power a times 10 to the power b is equal to 10 to the power a plus b. For division, 10 to the power a divided by 10 to the power b is equal to 10 to the power a minus b. Let's have an easy example to demonstrate these laws. Let's say 10 to the power 2, of which we know 10 to the power 2 is 100, times 10 to the power 1, we know 10 to the power 1 is 10. So it's equal to 100 times 10. 100 times 10 is equal to 1000. But if we were doing this following the laws of indices that I've just explained or described, we are going to have our answer as 10 to the power in brackets 2 plus 1, which is equal to 10 to the power 3, of which 10 to the power 3 is 1000. So you can try other examples. This is just for demonstrating the laws of indices. Let's divide the same numbers. 10 to the power 2 divided by 10 to the power 1. My division sign, I just changed it there, is equal to 100 divided by 10. Somehow I typed 1000. Okay, I think if we jump to the law itself, it says 10 to the power 2 minus 1, which is supposed to be equal to 10 to the power 1. But let me first correct that 1000. Let me delete a 0 on that 1000. Then it becomes 100 divided by 10, which is equal to 10. Yeah, this is more like it. Where our answer is 10 to the power 1, which is equal to 10. 100 divided by 10. So for multiplication, you add the indices or the exponents. For division, you subtract the exponents. Now, when we are dealing with numbers presented in standard form, we will first group those first numbers that come in that standard format, and then deal with them in a separate bracket, and then deal with those numbers that have got an exponent in a separate bracket. So in this case, we will have 3 times 2, then times 10 to the power 8 plus 3. Which becomes equal to 3 times 2 is 6 times 10 to the power 11. Let's move to the next example. It's still multiplication. So in this case, we will have equal in brackets 2,8 times 1,4. Then closing brackets times 10 to the power 6 plus 2. That's what the laws of indices dictate. And then our answer will be 2,8 times 1,4 using our calculator is 3.92 times 10 to the power 8. Let's jump to an example for division of numbers presented in standard form. Then we will have equals to, in brackets, 2,8 divided by 1,4. But we still maintain the times. We won't go ahead and say divide again. So we say times 10 to the power 6 minus 2. Our answer becomes 2 times 10 to the power 4. Then this next example, I won't write anything down. The answer, you'll first get 0.68 times 10 to the power minus 9. But you can't have 0.68, so the answer becomes 6.8 times 10 to the power minus 10. Thank you very much.